Morning YouTubers and followers of Rudgy, aka the Doctor. Well, what we're doing today? Well, we're at John's place today. As you can see, they're selling cars and I'm trying to weld one back together. So as you can see, the old work bus is working well. Got all my gear ready to go. Let's show you what I'm doing. So as you can see, cut the bottom of the door out already, which is there, pretty rotten. And I've got a repair panel, which is there, which I've cut down, swaged the end so that it fits in and under there, stop the distortion. And I'm just about now to cut all this bit out and replace with new. So here's a little van. Everybody's been asking me what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And here's one we've done earlier. As you can see, replaced all the bottom of the door, replaced all the inside in the door shut, and it fits as good as it did at the factory, probably better. So now I've got to cut this piece out here, quite a complicated shape, but I've got to make that up for the front scuttle. And that's about it rot-wise, I think, really. I'll probably just treat these. It hasn't gone through, so we'll treat that with some rust stabiliser and primer. And then that's that, really. So yeah, this is the door I've done. As you can see, all new metal in the corners there. All the bottom of this, you can see where I've ground along the edge. All that was replaced right up, because you have to fold the door skin round, and that supports the door skin. Hung the door temporarily on some bolts. But yeah, got a nice little van inside. Got a toilet and a cooking area, and this makes up into a double berth in here. You can pretty much stand up in it. A little Citroen AX. I think it'll be alright when Roger's finished with it. It'll look nice anyway, if nothing else. So that's what we're doing today at the John Glanville Auto Centre. Local cars for local people.